Okay. So Pat Sparks at IMS 2015 with the Isola Freescale radar demo. So what do you got going on here, Pat?
Good morning. Yes, we have a partnership with Freescale where we're showcasing our Astra material in this application. It's a 77 gigahertz automotive radar application. And what you're seeing here is an antenna array with the feed network that uses our Astra material as a substrate, and then the chipset, which is designed by Freescale, is a multi-layer board that uses all Isola material for the chipset, feed network, and all bias, central bias activity there. But essentially, we've got a model here that would represent the reflectivity of a typical automobile. And what you're seeing on the display is a displacement of these graphics that show either an approaching object, a car, which is represented by a decreasing distance to the radar face itself, would show a dot on the left side of this zero axis, and moving away from the object you'd have a positive displacement. Now currently the detection will pick up both static and dynamic objects, so the software does a job in determining which objects would be an approaching object or have a potential threat. So it's a very integrated design, and in terms of Isola's material, the Astra product here is a very low loss microwave material with a processing capability similar to an FR4 style board.
So DK3 DF0017?
Right, so very low loss, very easy to process material. We've also gone through extensive testing environmentally as far as the typical application here, which is a ruggedized radar application. So you have all of the vibration and thermal characteristics that would be important in an automotive application.
So when you say it's easy to process, any standard board shop could process this, no special technology is required, it's glass reinforced base material?
Right, exactly, and that's the beauty of it. Isola has a very long-standing relationship with just about every major board manufacturer in the United States, and a lot of those have now moved into microwave applications, and they're finding that the processing is very similar, very straightforward. There's no extra, for example, plasma etch steps or things like that you have to do. The board material tends to drill very nicely. Fab houses love it, and they experience a reduced cost.
Is it compatible for hybrid constructions?
Absolutely. We're working with not only OEMs on antenna type applications, but we also have applications where in multi-layer situations where you have an entire stack that has a baseband application with a high-frequency receiver component. We also work with, in this case, obviously, chipset manufacturers where we're doing reference designs. They want to showcase their chipset performance using our material because of its loss characteristics, and it's included in a reference design as well.
And if people want to find more information on Astra, is it available on the website? Absolutely.
We also have some design tools that we're going to be integrating into our website. We're going to be releasing a new website, and we're at isola-group.com. You can get the full data sheet on Astra there and our other microwave materials. We have a family of microwave products there. So we've had some great success with our partners and look forward to the market in the future.
Perfect. Yeah, thanks for the time, Pat.
Sure thing. Sorry, I'm not...